In this video, we'll show you how you can add trusted connections to Roblox on your Android or iPhone. So for this, first open the Roblox app. Now go to this more option at the bottom. Now here select settings. Now here tap on account info. So this will show your account details. Simply scroll down and here you should see the option to verify your age using the phone camera. So simply select continue with camera. Now tap on continue and then tap on continue again. Now simply allow Roblox to use the phone camera and then take a picture of yourself. Once Roblox has verified your age, you can go back. Here you should see this connection section. Simply tap on connect and then select add from QR. So this will bring up your QR code so others can use this QR code to add you as a trusted connection. Now if you want to add someone else, simply tap on this scan icon at the top and you should be able to scan their QR code. So this is how you can add trusted connections. Remember, the other person also must have done the age verification for this to work. If you find this video useful, please don't forget to like and subscribe to Glitch Guru.